What's going on YouTube? Matt Johnson coming at you guys with a quick video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how this $100 billion company is hiring for $18 an hour. But before we get into this video, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell below because I'm going to be providing a tremendous amount of value to you guys on each one of my videos. And so yeah guys, the company I actually wanted to show you guys is actually Amazon. And this is an opportunity that you may or may not have heard of yet. And you guys may be thinking, why would I do that? I can do Amazon affiliate marketing or Amazon FBA. And I do agree with that, but this is something that you can actually do part-time, and it's really something that you can actually make some quick money and get paid more than most minimum wage jobs. And so the website I wanted to show you guys today is actually called Amazon Flex. Okay, and this is it right here. And so you guys can see the website right here. It's great money, great flexibility, deliver with Amazon. Okay, so all you're essentially doing is delivering the product from the warehouse to the consumer. There's nothing very complicated about this. It's similar to Uber, but much better because you essentially don't really deal with people. Like with Uber, you have to drive your clients around, or you have to really deal with a lot of people. And the point of working from home and having an online business is really all about having the free time to actually spend with your family, or having flexibility to actually do stuff on your own terms without having to, work under somebody else or work under the supervision of somebody else. And so this is an opportunity I wanted to present to you guys because this is a great way to actually earn some good income from a company like Amazon, right? That everybody already loves already. So, why not actually work for this company just by doing these simple tasks? And so you can see right here, the minimum amount you can make is $18 an hour. All right, and you can get paid up to $25 an hour with this company. So you can see right here, be your own boss, set your own schedule, and have more time to pursue your goals and dreams. All right, so this is a great way to actually build an affiliate marketing business or your Amazon FBA business as well, while making some income on the side, right? And this pays way more than any other minimum wage job I ever had. $18 an hour is definitely nothing to complain about. And so you can see you can easily get started here. And I just want to show you guys a little more information about this here. So you can see meet people delivering with Amazon Flex. So these are just some of the people that actually worked with this company. And so right off the bat, you make great earnings working for this company. You have flexible hours, be your own boss. So all things that Amazon tries to do to actually help people really work on their own terms, right? And that's the great thing I love about Amazon is it has so many opportunities, on top of Amazon Flex, on top of affiliate marketing, on top of actually opening up your own store on Amazon. This gives people such a wide variety of really flexibility to actually work on their own terms and actually achieve financial freedom. So, and you can see Amazon.com, Inc., or its affiliates. Okay, so, and you can see right here, want to build the future of delivery. Amazon is hiring for job openings. All right, so pretty cool here, guys. I just wanted to show you guys this quick opportunity for you guys because I know a lot of you are looking to actually make a part-time income without having to deal with working for somebody else, without having to deal with really being overworked and underpaid. But yeah, guys, so if you're interested in this or even building your own affiliate marketing business with Amazon, then feel free to subscribe below because I'm going to be dropping a ton of knowledge bombs for you guys on this channel. And so yeah, guys, I wanted to show you guys this quick opportunity for you guys. So I really hope you guys enjoy this quick video. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. And yeah, guys, take care.